Hello listeners! Today we have another special event for you, unboxing the Norrish high-end integrated amplifier from Hegel, the brand new H600. I'm really thrilled to unbox it for you. Let's go! Let's talk about the inputs and outputs. I'll turn the amplifier around. First of all, we have the loudspeaker outputs, and then we have two XLR balanced inputs and two RCA analog inputs as well. Next to that we have outputs. One is variable, so you can use it easily in your home theater system, and one is really an output with a full range. Well, let's switch it on. This beast, the Hegel H600, with its more than 300 watts per channel, is really worth listening to. Here in our premises at the Borneolaan 25 in Hilversum, we have the machine ready for demonstration. Come and have a listen.